Dear children, I hope all of you are safe at home and continue your learning through SSKB e-learning materials. In this session, you are going to learn the first term Unit 1 prose. Before stepping into the lesson, I would like to recall the well-known story Rabbit and the Tortoise. I think all of you read this story in your earlier classes. Who wins the race in this story? Obviously, the tortoise. How does it win the race? Even it is slow, very steady in its steps. Like tortoise, you should also be very strong in reaching your goal. Most of you would have seen tortoises in zoo or in reptile park. What do you know about these tortoises? They have a big hard shell, they live in land and they are very slow. For your information, they can live above 150 years. But do you know about its marine relative sea turtle? Marine means found in sea. As you all have some relatives, tortoises also have its own relatives which live in water, and they are turtles. In this lesson, Sea Turtles, we are going to see many interesting facts about the life of sea turtles in 3 sections. Many animals and plants live in water. Some of the aquatic animals are fish, whales, octopus, and turtles. This lesson starts with the conversation between the 2 girls, Madhi and Aisha, who are playing in the beach with building sand castles. I think all of you have gone to the beach and enjoyed there, haven't you? As I said, turtles are marine relatives of tortoises. There are 7 species of marine or sea turtles in the world. Out of them, 5 species are found in our India's coastal waters. They are the olive ridley, the hawksbill, the green sea turtle, the loggerhead, and the leatherback. But nowadays, 4 of the above species except olive ridleys have become rare in India. Compared to the tortoises, sea turtles are huge. Even the smallest species, the olive ridley, weighs up to 35 kg when fully grown. The largest of them all, the leatherback, grows to a length of 2.2 meters and could weigh as much as 700 kg. Students, here you may have a doubt whether the sea turtles spend their entire life in the ocean. The answer is yes. But they still have a connection with land. What is it? They come ashore to lay eggs. Especially in India, the olive ridleys come to the Odisha's coastal region, Rushikulya, which is situated in Ganjam's district, to lay eggs. This mass nesting of olive ridley turtles is called arribada. This arribada is a Spanish word which means mass nesting. At which season do they come to seashore to lay eggs? Between the months of January and March, female olive ridleys come ashore at night to lay their eggs. Students listen, not in the daytime, but at night they come to lay eggs. Before going to the section 2, let us look into the glossary given in section 1. Marine means found in the sea. Species, group of animals with common features. Coastal, land by the edge of the sea. Section 2. Will it be very easy for the turtles to come to seashore? No, certainly not, because these turtles have front flippers enable them to swim. Flippers means broad, flat limbs used for swimming. These flippers are very useful to swim in water, but not on the land. It has to haul laboriously onto the beach. Haul means pull with force, laboriously means with great effort. That is, they have to pull with great effort to move on the land. Then they choose a safe spot which will not be affected by the high waves of ocean. Then it scoops out a nest cavity 45 centimeters deep and lays about 100 eggs. Not 2 or 3 eggs, students. It lays about 100 eggs, and each egg will be in the size of a table tennis ball. After laying eggs, it camouflages the nest by tossing sand on it using its flippers. Camouflages means hide or disguise something. How clever these turtles are. They have to hide the nest to protect from the predators. Later, the eggs are left to incubate under the warmth of a sun. Incubate means hatch eggs using warmth. Still, the eggs are not safe. Jackals, domestic dogs, pigs, even local people collect the eggs for eating by following the tracks and the scent left by the turtle. The eggs which are escaped from people and predators hatch 45 to 60 days later. Predators means animals that kill other animals for food. The hatchlings slash open the leathery eggshell with the help of a tiny egg tooth. Slash means cut. This egg tooth is like a razor blade at the top of a hatchling's snout. Snout means pointed nose of an animal. Then the hatchlings push themselves upwards and emerge on the surface of the beach. Emerge means come out. Here we see the glossary given in section 2. Flippers. Flippers means broad, flat limbs used for swimming. Predators. Animals that kill other animals for food. Haul. Pull with force. Slash. Cut. Laboriously, with great effort. Snout. Pointed nose of an animal. Cavity. A hollow space. Emerge. Come out. Camouflage. Hide or disguise something. Incubate. Hatch eggs using warmth. Now, let us see the do you know part. There is an interesting aspect of sea turtle biology. The temperature inside the egg determines the sex of the embryo while it is growing. When the eggs develop at 27 to 28 degrees Celsius, only male hatchlings are produced. At 30 degrees Celsius, only female hatchlings are produced. An equal mix of male and female hatchlings is produced only when the eggs incubate at precisely 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. Let us continue with section 3. The hatchlings push themselves upwards and emerge on the surface of the beach. Amazingly, these hatchlings, which weigh less than 20 grams, make a hurried move to the sea. Why should they make a hurried move? Because the struggle for life is not yet over. Crabs or birds may eat these tiny hatchlings before they reach water. Even within water, they will be eaten by many predators. Scientists estimate that only 1 in every 1,000 hatchlings become an adult. That's why, to survive, sea turtles lay so many eggs. Survive means continue to live. Here comes another interesting fact about these tiny hatchlings. That is, after becoming adults, the female hatchlings come to the same seashore to lay their own eggs. This is a mysterious thing about these fascinating reptiles. Mysteries means facts that are difficult to understand. Fascinating means attracting greatly. But unfortunately, the life of these wonderful creatures is put in grave danger for the last few decades. Decade means a period of 10 years. People hunt them for their meat or collect their eggs. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nests of motorboats. Problems like pollution, dumping of plastics into the ocean, and construction activities on nesting beaches also hurt their survival. Only when we find solution to all these problems, these beautiful turtles won't become extinct like dinosaurs. Shekhar Dattatri, who is from Chennai or Tamil Nadu, is an Indian hepatologist, a wildlife filmmaker who has written this informative lesson for us. He has a unique relationship with nature and wildlife from his childhood. From the time he became a student volunteer at the Madras Snake Park at the age 13, he is the only person as a wildlife filmmaker to win the Rolex Award for Enterprise for his conservation filmmaking. Students, here we see the glossary of section 3. Survive, continue to live. Mysteries, facts that are difficult to understand. Fascinating, attracting greatly. Decade, the period of 10 years. Okay children, here we come to the end of the session. Read the lesson again and again. Try to collect some more information about the sea turtles. Be safe at your home.